I did a video yesterday about Etsy SEO for 2021, and I did a title and tags rewrite where I was rewriting the title and tags for an older listing that I had that had renewed and it hadn't sold. And I got a question about tags that just, it's so confusing where this advice came from, but it came from an Etsy guru, all right? So that tells you a lot. But Etsy SEO is not difficult, and it doesn't have to be difficult. A lot of people will try to make it difficult because they want you to think that they're the ones with the magic bullet. No. All right, so let's look at the question, and I'll put it up on the screen for you guys. It says, I used to be a member of one group. The guru taught us that the fewer tags you have in your shop, the better. So I guess that means that you have to use the same tags for every listing. And she told us to get rid of tags that are used once or twice in the whole shop. She affirmed that those one-time tags are no use and that the item is not going to be on the first pages in search if the exact tag is not used many times. So every time I add a new product, I hear that guru in my head and I stress about it. Did I use the same tags as before? Can you please tell me if this makes sense? No, it doesn't make sense. And when I hear advice like this, it makes me sad for all the people who are hearing that advice and thinking that it's true. And it's so difficult to get this kind of stuff out of your head. I understand that. Tags are very important to give Etsy more information about your listing, but they have to be accurate and they have to be specific to that listing. So if you're limiting yourself to 13 tags, because you can put 13 tags in your listings. If she's saying don't use all the same tags for every listing because that's what Etsy wants. Now Etsy wants you to be specific for that listing. So let's say you've got a ton of stuff and there's one item that is for Mardi Gras and it's very specific to Mardi Gras, but it's only one thing in your shop. Are you not supposed to put Mardi Gras in the tags? I would put Mardi Gras in the tags because it's telling Etsy what that listing is about. So don't worry about that advice. Just when you're doing a listing, do list titles and tags, keywords, put those in there that are specific to the listing so that Etsy knows what they're looking at. And I will also show you what Etsy actually says about tags. And this is from the Etsy help section for sellers. This is not the Etsy seller handbook. It's a different thing. So it's Etsy help. Using tags to get found in search. And this is directly from Etsy. A tag is a word or a short phrase that describes your item. Okay, it has to describe your item. Etsy matches tags with shopper searches to find relevant results. Now that's the part that messes people up, and I'm going to go back to that in a minute. To improve where your items are appearing on Etsy, be sure to use your tags when listing your items. Now you don't have to use tags, okay? Tags are optional. If you have a title that describes your item perfectly, then you could theoretically leave your tags out, and I've done that before by accident, oops, but tags are important because it gives Etsy more information. Okay, back to Etsy. You can use up to 13 tags per item listing, and a single tag can be a short descriptive phrase. For example, silver earrings. Okay, so it can be a short descriptive phrase, but it doesn't have to be. Make sure your listings are tagged only with accurate and relevant words, and that's the key. Okay, so let me go back to the Etsy matches tags with shopper searches to find relevant results, because I think that that's where a lot of people get very confused. There are 13 tags per item listing. Each of those tags has 20 characters. People seem to think that Etsy looks at a tag in isolation and doesn't look at any other information in the listing, but that's not true. What Etsy does is when someone types something into the search engine, which is the search bar, it looks in your listing, it looks in title, tags, categories, and attributes to see if the words that are in that search query are in those places. If they're not, then you cannot be guaranteed to be included in that search result. So by adding more words in your tags, you give yourself more opportunity to be included in more searches. Tags do not need to make sense. And I've said this a million times, but people don't seem to get it. And I understand that when you're listening to people saying, don't put the same tags in more than 2 listings, or put the same tags in every listing, it's very confusing. But if you understand that a search engine, all they're doing is looking to see if the words are in your listing somewhere. And after that, they look to see if they're in the exact word order, because they like word order, it matches best. But as long as the words are in your listing somewhere, you'll be included in that pool of search results. So what you do when you do a listing, and I did this in my video, look it up, I'll put it in the cards, okay? Etsy SEO 2021, title and tags rewrite, look it up. I found my keywords that I wanted to put in the title and in the tags in the exact word order match, because I was saying to myself, this is a very accurate description of this item, and I want Etsy to know that I like those keywords for this thing, so I'm putting it in both places. You don't need to do that for more than 2 or 3 keywords. It's really not that important to do it for more than 2 or 3, and depending if it's really low competition, you could do it for 1. You do not need to put your entire title in the tags, okay? Just find your best keywords, put them in title and tags, and then you're going to have a lot of space left over in the tags. And in that space, you want to put in more accurate, descriptive words that tell Etsy what your listing is. And that's it. You don't have to worry about other listings because you're doing this one listing. And like I said, if for Mardi Gras, let's say you have one listing that has Mardi Gras stuff on it, okay? Everything else in your shop has nothing to do with Mardi Gras. You need to put Mardi Gras in the tags or in the title somewhere, but you need to tell Etsy this is for Mardi Gras. And just because other listings in your shop don't have that, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't put it in this listing. When you're doing a listing, do the listing. Don't worry about the rest of your shop. Just do it for that listing and be accurate for that listing. Please, if you've got these weird ideas, because people have said this is how you have to do it, post a comment and let me know, because I like taking these and kind of, talking about them. It's a good idea for videos, because I know that there are people that have got these weird ideas in their heads, and it just boggles my mind to think of everybody walking around being so stressed out about titles and tags, because you really don't have to be. All right, so give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have something that you've heard and that it kind of messes with you when you're trying to do your titles and tags on Etsy. But I will talk to you guys later.